What's up guys, this is Awesome with Vyral. Today we have a special announcement. You all have been asking for it. You know how we deliver. Let's get right to it. Introducing Vyral Mods. This is Vyral's first custom brand label with our own products. And you're probably wondering, well, what's in it? Well, this is the number one question we always get asked. How do you change the AIO white, or how does it different colors, and so on and so on? Well, that's all done custom in-house by me personally. We take the time to consult with the customer, see what kind of wrap that they want over their AIO to make it kind of different and stand out. So what we did is we put our thought process onto the table, and we've been hard at work for this for months and months and months. And now, happy to say we have a final product here for all you guys. So what this package contains is our own box that we have made. Vyral Mods AIO Mod Kit is here. It indicates all the colors, tubes, and such on the back. Wide range of colors, options. We'll have 4 or 5 to start off with, but let's get right into it here. So obviously the box is pretty packaged nicely, but once you get in here, we have our AIO tubes. This is a white pack, so it actually comes with the white. And then this bad boy. Full rubber, ready to go, silicone-based AIO mod kit. So obviously your standard AIO, this is the Z-Series. Today we're gonna be using the Z-Series cover. This is the NZXT Z73, I believe. Also comes 73, 63. These will all be universal to any Z-Series Kraken AIO. Here we have a 53. So standard installation, assuming you have the PC already built. If not, no big deal. AIO here, what we wanna do is there's 2 plugs. You wanna unplug the bottom plug, just pull straight out. And then the USB connector, which is on the side. So it pulls out. And what you can do is you can kind of let them sit there. You can put them aside for the reason. I will get back to very important information that when you take it off and put it on for the Z-Series. But AIO tube covers just slide on directly here. What you want to do is they're self-closing, so you just want to open up and you want to attach it to the tube here. You want to just slide it up. This is found it's the easiest way, and if you just kind of work it back and forth, it kind of self-closes itself. You might have to go up and adjust, but you just slide it up and then just kind of work it down. We're gonna have a wide variety range of colors on this. Right now we're stocking white, red, orange, and possibly purple. Make sure you guys are staying tuned to our social media platforms for different color options that are coming out, as well as restock notifications. So onto the second one, but it's much easier when you just get it started and then you just keep sliding and moving down. So slide, move down, slide, move down. You may have it overlapping like that, but you just put your thumb up and readjust it like so. So once those are on, pretty standard. They fit all Z-Series, like I said. They're cut to fit, so they're not gonna be shorter. These are gonna be the longer tubes. So they're also gonna be able to fit your Deep Cool, your Corsair H100s. Those already come white, but if you wanted to change the color, these are pretty universal. So the tubes, I will say the tubes are not stationary or universal as far as proprietary is the word I'm looking for to the Z-Series AIOs. They can fit other AIOs as well. There's examples of what they fit on the back of the box, the retail box here. So, all right, now to the fun part. So you're just gonna take this AIO cover, just like you were changing out a cell phone case, and you're literally just gonna slide it on. So make sure the tubes match up here. You got the cutouts, and it just goes over it like that. So once it's on, may have a little bump here, but that's okay. What this does is, when you plug this in, it'll tighten it down. But here's an important part. You see the actual numbers that are on the AIO? It might be different, but what you're gonna do is the numbers are gonna face you. So if it's on backwards, even though it'll fit, it will not run your AIO. So what you need to do here is make sure these indentation numbers are going towards you. So with that being said, you just kind of line it up and snap it into place. It's a little awkward, but it fits perfectly. All right, now with it on just like that, she's all ready to go. You just had a black AIO changed to all white, or whatever color of your choosing that we offer. Pretty easy mod. These will come in various colors: white, red, blue, purple, maybe even green. So to start off with, look for those colorways. There it is, guys. Unboxing the first hands-on of the Vyral Mods AIO mod kit. You can find more detailed information on our website, as well as product availability. Thank you guys so much. Awesome with Vyral. Peace.